Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to save or export videos in Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Capcut application, and here is the interface. Okay, so if you just tap on the cross icon on the top left side, if you just tap on the cross icon, it will go back and save your project. But we don't want to save our project, we want to export or save the video into the gallery. So how we can do that? It's very simple. Just go to this first, and then you need to tap on this option right over here. Just tap on that, and then it will brings up the video settings that you want to export. So for my case, my video is 1080p, so I will select the 1080p, and also you need to check your frame rate of the video that you have recorded. For my case, my video is recorded in 30 fps, so I will select that. And lastly, code rate. First of all, the code rate determines how better your rendered video will be. So if you select this code rate to high range, it will the video quality will be higher, as well as the size of the video will also be increased. So you need to make sure that your code rate is like higher if you want to export it in high quality, but you need to consider the file size as well. All right, then for my case I will select as recommended, and then just simply tap on the export button, and then there you go, it will start exporting your video. That's how you can simply export or save videos in Capcut to gallery. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.